guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and today I'm gonna make for you a really awesome Hawaiian fried rice. Oh, I'm getting so excited, I'm knocking things over here. This is a request by my husband. He loves it, so I finally said that I would make it on the channel for him. So it is super easy, it's perfect for a weeknight dinner. It requires few ingredients, and many of them you probably already have. And also there's fun ways that you could jazz it up also, so it's a great recipe. So we're gonna start with some sesame oil in our pan, about a tablespoon. And to that, we are gonna add some chopped minced up bacon. Now, any pork will work here. Ooh, that sizzle, nice and hot. Any pork will work here. So you can use ham, you can use bacon, you could use pretty much anything. If you are trying to keep this dish meat-free, you can also leave the bacon out, but let's be honest, bacon makes everything better. So you're just gonna toss that around and allow that bacon to start cooking. And then you're gonna add one whole red onion that you've diced up pretty small. After a minute or two with the onion and the bacon, you can go ahead and add a bell pepper. You could do a red bell pepper, or I have an orange one here just for some fun color. But one whole pepper, again, nicely diced up. Next step, we're gonna add 3 cloves of garlic, minced up real nice, and about a cup of frozen peas. Give that a nice stir and let it cook together for a minute or two. After your peas and your peppers and your onion have kind of cooked down a bit, you're gonna add half of a cup of soy sauce, stir that in, and about 2 cups of pineapple chunks. Just gonna wanna chop it up real chunky and nice, and then get it in your mixture here. We're gonna allow this to cook together for another 2 to 3 minutes. Just let everything get nice and hot and kind of blend it in, that soy sauce and with the pineapple. And then it's time to add in your rice. I like to use the 90-second steamable bags because it just makes this recipe that much easier, but feel free to use any rice that you want. And you're just gonna add it in and then stir it really good with any other ingredients. So you're gonna toss your rice in your mixture. It's gonna look delicious. I don't know if you guys could see, but how yummy does that look? So good. And then we're gonna just garnish with some green onion. And then that's it. This dish is done. Trust me, this is gonna become a family favorite. My husband is eyeing me up right now, and I don't think it's because I look so good. I think it's because I'm holding this fried rice. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and guys, I'm digging in. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.